Yo, what up everybody? Got a little review for you. Got this little cup, little item to go show you guys. So I've been buying some more Carhartt. I've been really fucking with their products. So it's really good stuff, really good quality. Not sure about long term since I'm just getting into it, but like, yeah, the quality is very nice. Like, I got like some stuff for Maya, some collars, got some clothing. A little bit of issues, like the purple shirt, it dyed all my clothing purple. Besides that, like, you know, it's good quality. So I tried out their socks. I got these on sale in one of my Sense hauls. You can go check that out. One of my recent ones, I'm pretty sure. So I was really surprised with these. That's why I was like, damn, these are probably in my top 5 socks, which will be coming out soon. Top 5 socks. Can show you guys the best socks, especially for wintertime. Gotta stay cozy. Canada, you know, all conditions. ACG, that's probably in my top 3 maybe. The ACG socks, those are fire. Then we got like Patagonia. What other socks are really good? So yeah, let's talk about these socks and tell you why I like them so much. Put them on, show you guys what they look like rocking the socks on the feet. Yeah, so first of all, really good quality, really stretchy. I was like, one problem with me is like pulling my socks on. Like, it's always like so tight. I have like these fat feet. These things, like the special Lycra fiber that they use, I think that's what makes it so, like, it's so stretchy. Like, it's like, it feels like it'll be like tight and stuff, but then when you just slide it on, it's like tight, but it just like really is like very moldable, very stretchy. So it just molds to your foot. It just fits it snug, just like you like. I mean, it is good to have tight socks for your like blood flow. I forget. Now, let's look at the new ones I got. I got the Icy Water Gold colorway. So these ones I wanted for a long time just because I love the color. I wanted them even before I got these, but then I was like, oh, I may as well try them out first on sale to see if they're even worth it. The color I thought would be nicer. They always increase the contrast freaking all the way on shopping websites, which annoys the hell out of me, but oh well. That's why I show you guys what it actually looks like in person. Pretty big, honestly, 39 to 46, which is like good for me, fits me perfect. I'm like size 10, so I'm like right in between. I'm like a 40, I think. So that's why they also fit me nice, is because they're big. Most socks are like so small for my fat feet. Like I'm saying, I'm a 40, and these things go all the way up to 46. So that's a lot of snug room, but it's not, but then they like fit your foot snug. That's the good thing. Comes with one pair. They're like $20, I think. That's like the average price for like premium socks if you're gonna be getting them. Like, especially the ones from Japan, like those knitted ones and like the nice quality socks, they're gonna be like $20 for one pair. So don't go like, oh my god, I can go buy a pack from Walmart and Nike for $10 for 20 socks. Yeah, those socks will fall apart in a week, bro. Like, these are quality. That shit is like, those, I hate freaking Nike socks. Make my feet itchy and all this shit. I know what the good Nike socks are like. There's only some. But like the main ones that they make, they're fucking made out of like toilet paper. Anyways, Carhartt, work in progress, WIP, nay nay. And their special Lycra. That's their like, I guess it's a different company, or it's their own, it's either a different company or it's their own patent. I'm not sure. I think it might be their own patent, but it sounds like it. No, it's definitely, I don't know. Could be another company. Oh yeah, it's definitely another company because it even says Lycra.com. So I guess they like collab with this company and they're like, we need your Lycra. Put our Lycra in the product. So yeah, that's what makes them so stretchy, so nice. So let's talk about this a little bit. So Icy Water Gold Chase socks. That's what they're called. One size, as I was saying. They are 81% cotton. Make sure you get cotton socks. Hemp. I have my favorite socks are like these new hemp ones I got. So fire. I need more hemp socks. 17% polyester and that 2% of that Lycra fiber, which is an elastane. And they're made in Pakistan, so it's nice to see these other countries that they're making stuff in. Hopefully they're paying their workers good quality, fair wages. Doesn't say any fair trade stuff on here, but you know, like if you're ordering from like Patagonia or something, you know it's gonna be good. Like, you know, they're doing the paying the due diligence. Lycra moves you, TM, nice. Yeah, I don't know what to say now. Now to try it on and tell you how they feel. Let's go. Like putting them on, like first impression when I slip them on, lots of room in the foot. It's usually way too tight, and just enough tightness on the leg because I have fat legs. So usually it's too tight on the leg, but there's just enough where it's just enough elastin. They're tight, like it's tight on the ankles and like just fitting on the feet, but like just enough room where it's not too tight that it's annoying. It's like a comfortable feel. Like it almost feels like barefoot. Like it feels like I don't even have a sock on almost. Like you feel the warmth on like the leg, but like this is just so nice and breathable. So much room, so like stretchy, really nice material. Really like that. Like you need mostly cotton. That's like the main component that you need. Like some nice natural cotton, and they probably use good natural cotton for this. And yeah, usually socks are just way too tight and just annoying, and like they just feel annoying on me, you know? Like it just like bothers me. These ones are actually super nice. But yeah, still the ACG crew socks still gonna be my favorite, I think, especially for winter. But like for like all season, this might take it because I can't wear the ACG in the summer. Really, they're way too heavy and like they have wool in them. But these ones, they're nice. I like it. I really, really love these.